I am Shabunga. Thank you for helping me.
We weren't exactly sure that you needed help.
Yeah, you look kinda scary.
Do not be shocked by my appearance. I became trapped here when the troubles at Dragon Rock began.
The deadly powers they are unleashing mutated me into this.
The Thorntails are a bunch of cowards. They wouldn't let me out. They thought I was some kind of monster. So tell me, why have you returned?
This belt gives great powers to whoever wears it.
That is a Krazoa star. It gives the wearer great abilities. But I see Scales wore it out by using it only for evil.
So what use is it to us?
Maybe it has just enough power to get you into Dragon Rock.
I'll need to make a potion. Return to me with 3 black-eyed pods, and I'll see what I can do.